Today I'd like to talk to you about some works that we're going to be doing across the Bendigo water supply system over the coming weeks, which may change the taste and odour of the water that you receive at your house. While this water will always be safe at all times, we thought it was important to provide you with a little bit of information around these changes and what it means for you and your family. To ensure that the water main that supply the water to your house remain clean at all times, and this is part of our routine program to ensure that we provide you with the best quality drinking water. So these works involve changing the way that we disinfect the water that we supply to your house. Normally we use a process called chloramination, where we add chlorine and ammonia to the water. Over the period of these works, we're turning off the ammonia and you'll only receive chlorine, and this allows us to clean the mains in a safe and timely manner to provide, again, safe drinking water to your house. During these works, you're likely to taste and smell additional chlorine that we have in the water. I'd like to reassure you that at all times this water will be safe to drink and use around the house, and it will always be consistent with the quality requirements of the Australian Drinking Water Guidelines. I can also reassure you that you will see no change in the flow or pressure of the water to your house.